So, something about your hand just doesn't quite look right. Not a problem. The first thing that you need to check are the position of your knuckles. A lot of beginners make the mistake of putting the base of their knuckles around these points, but that's wrong because your knuckles aren't here. They're actually here. You would be surprised how many of your problems disappear when you simply move the knuckles to the right location. And with that small change, you can see that it's already starting to look pretty good. But if we move the joints down and to the left a bit, you'll notice we get that nice flat knuckle shape. So we are gonna add a driver to control moving down and a driver moving to the left, with the finger rotation as the trigger. So let's start with the first driver. Right click X location. Add driver, set object to armature, bone to pointer, type to Z rotation, mode to quaternion, space to local, and type -var times 0.006. And update dependency. Now you can see that it moves up and down when you rotate the finger. For the second driver, right click Y location, add driver, set object to armature, bone to pointer 1, type to Z rotation, mode to quaternion, and space to local, and type var times 0.007. And you're done. Cool. And now you can see that it also moves left and right when the finger rotates. You can copy and paste these drivers to each finger. Just make sure you don't forget to go back and right click, edit, and make sure that the trigger bone is correct for each finger. Anyway, hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.